Duplicate content is a big issue with WordPress. When the same page or post is appearing at several different locations, search engines will not know which one to pick. WordPress will show the same page or post in several different archives unless you configure it the right way. For instance, consider this post that's appearing at the top of the home page now. Best twin air mattress for camping. Note the URL happydreams.com. This post also has its own URL. When you click on the heading, it appears in a different URL. It also appears in the author archives for author 3. Click on author 3 and the author archives page for the author comes up. Note the URL of this page. As you can see, this post has several different tags associated with it. All of these are tags associated with this post: air mattress, camping, twin mattress. So this post will appear under multiple tags, which means each additional tag is making the duplicate content issue only worse. Open any of these tag archives and you will see the post there. This page also appears in the category page for the air mattress category. This is the URL. So this page is appearing at several different URLs. Unless you address this issue, your rankings will suffer and your content will not rank as high as it should, because Google will see your site has a lot of duplicate content. You will want to no-index all of the category pages, author and date and tag archives. To do that, you will need to use the Yoast SEO plugin. Go to SEO, titles and metas, and taxonomies. You want to no-index categories and tags. Save changes. Next, go to the Archives tab. Here, you will want to disable author archives and date archives. Save changes. Go to this other tab, set subpages of archives to no index. Let the meta keywords tag be disabled. Leave this as it is. Save changes. The on-site duplicate content issue is now taken care of. If we now go back to the site and click on this, the author archives are no longer showing up because we disabled author archives. This is what you would have seen before we disabled the author archives. Here it's no longer showing up, it's redirecting back to the home page. The tag archives and the category archives still exist, but we have no indexed them. So search engines will not be indexing the category pages. The category pages still exist, but search engines will not index them anymore.